Hey guys, what's up? Zach over here again. Hope you guys are doing well. So I finally got my Mercedes back. But with that being said, I'm actually selling it. I'm getting another one. It's got 86,000 miles on it. The one that's in Boston, this has 132,000 miles on it. 6-speed manual. It's a great car. But I've had it and it's never given me any issues besides the misfire. The engine light will cycle through. The engine light will turn off. But anyways, onto bigger things and better things. It's definitely treated me well, but gotta let it go and get a better one. And if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the likes, whatever you gotta do to make me happy. So glad you guys can make it, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.